Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install Bluetooth drivers on Windows 10 step by step. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. Step 1. Check your Windows version, 32-bit or 64-bit. First, open File Explorer. Right-click on this PC. Click on Properties. Now look for System Type. Here you will see if your system is 32-bit or 64-bit. Step 2. Download Bluetooth drivers. Open your browser. In the search bar, type Intel Bluetooth driver. Press Enter. Open the official Intel website, usually the first result. Now choose the correct version, Windows 10 64-bit or Windows 10 32-bit. Select the one that matches your system. Accept the license agreement. The download will start automatically. Step 3. Install the drivers. Once the download is complete, open File Explorer. Go to the Downloads folder. Double-click the Bluetooth driver file. Click Next. Wait for the installer to load. Click Next again. Accept the license agreement. Now choose the installation type, Typical, Recommended, or Custom/Complete. For this guide, select Typical. Click Install. Wait for the installation to finish. Click Finish. Step 4. Restart your PC. After installation, restart your computer. This ensures all changes take effect. Step 5. Turn on Bluetooth. After restarting, click the search bar. Type Bluetooth. Open Bluetooth and other devices settings. Turn Bluetooth on. Click the plus Add Device button. Choose your Bluetooth device and connect it. That's it. You've successfully installed Bluetooth drivers on Windows 10. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.